everybody's week is going good so far. Today, for our every week live stream, we're landing at Dexter Municipal. Looks like it's a little rainy here right now. And yeah, it's looking super fun to land here, especially in these conditions. Yep, and yeah. I hope, friends, that your week is going good. My week is going good, friends, so I hope your week is going good as well. And yeah, I have a couple of fun news to tell you. First of all, last week I forgot to tell you, there was a comet that was passing by, and I think it's still visible to see, but I don't know. Yeah, and we also have some other stuff like Sim Update 4 might come out soon, so everybody was gonna be waiting for that. And yeah, okay, we're gonna descend a little bit. Okay, the weather here today is not bad as last week on Tuesday. It's actually better. The winds aren't that bad. The winds are calmer, yeah. Okay, let's descend. Wow, nice, guys. Really nice. Minus 42 FPM is a beautiful landing, especially in all of these conditions that we had to deal here with. Yep. Okay, guys, we're gonna exit the runway. And yeah, it was a nice, beautiful landing, friends. I'm happy. The wind was... Oh, wow, there was actually not that much wind. And we were not bending while we landed. And it took us about 19.67 seconds to land. Oh, and don't even get me started about the 6 and yeah, because it's everywhere and it's not funny everywhere anymore. It's very annoying. Nobody wanted to hear it for the first time, and when you hear it for the 1000th time, you're already so angry about it. And you're so angry about it that, yeah, the meme is basically, it feels brutal by now. Yes, believe me, it does. Okay, and we're gonna park. Yeah, we're gonna park nicely. And yeah, it was a beautiful landing at Dexter Municipal Airport. Dexter Municipal Airport is located in the Severn, Missouri. Yeah, it's below the 36th parallel. So it's about the same level as Sicily. Also, I have a fun fact for you guys. Back then, continents are located on tectonic plates which move, and back then there was a supercontinent called Pangaea where all the continents were combined. And also the Himalayas formed by India, the Indian plate, which is in India, hitting the Euro-Asian plate, or Europe and no, just Asia. Yeah, just Asia. And yeah, that's how the Himalayas formed. So basically, if the Indian plate hit the Asian plate, and that's what formed the Himalayas. Okay, guys, I'm gonna move a little bit. Okay, guys, good. Getting in. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna stop about here. Good. Okay, guys, let's turn off the engine. Let's put the flaps fully up. Nice. Okay, let's get over here. Start checking the stuff. Left flap is good. Landing gear is good. Then elevator is good. Rudder is good. Right flap is good. Right aileron is good. Now let's position it normal to back to the original position. Wait. Good. Wait. Good. And yeah. Okay, now let's come here and check this. And good. Let's check the oil cap. It's good. Now let's close the oil cover and let's check the nose gear tire, and it's good. Really nice landing. I enjoyed this landing with you guys really much. Thank you for flying with me. Okay, and now let's just make the photo. Okay, nice photo. Yep. Okay, let's put this back on. And I'm gonna see you guys in the marketplace, so yeah. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, guys. Okay, friends, we're in the marketplace. And we have some stuff that are similar. Of course, we have the A340 airliner, the B-55. Yeah, I remember this plane. And we also have, let's see, we have the Nam YS-11, the Cessna Citation X. Then we have the 737 MAX 8 by Bedrock 3D, and then 747 Professional by M Scenery, Captain Sim, Boeing 767-300ER, and the 767-300ER by Captain Sim again. Okay, 08C Riverview Airport. And then we have, ooh, this is cool. The Dash 8-100. Wow. I've been waiting for this plane for so long. It's so cool that it's finally here. Yeah, how cool. And now let's look for some cool airports. Okay, so let's look at airports near Lake Erie. We have the Keg Arkin Canton Regional Airport. Oh, okay, cool. Then we have Niagara Falls International Airport over here. Then we have this, of course, and let's look. Happy Goose Bay is still not there. Mulsanne is still not there, but we have Winnipeg International Airport. Cool. And yeah, Charlotte International Airport. And we have a lot of airports scattered. Oh, now let's get Memorial Airport. Yeah, you could get this. Now let's get this in Massachusetts. Okay, and thank you guys for very much watching the live stream this week. Thank you very much. And bye, guys. Have a great day. Bye, everybody. Bye.